We will guide you through how to restore Messenger chat history PIN. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, unlock your Android or iPhone and connect to a stable internet connection before beginning the process. Open the Messenger app on your device and wait for the welcome or login screen to appear. Enter the email address, phone number, or Facebook username associated with your account in the appropriate field. Tap Next to continue to the password screen if required by your device or account. Enter your Facebook account password in the provided field, then review your login details carefully to make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Tap the login button to sign in to your account. Wait while Messenger verifies your account credentials and securely authenticates your login information. Allow the app a few moments to load your conversations and account information completely. After your account finishes loading, you should see an offer prompting you to restore your encrypted chat history using your previously created PIN. Tap Restore and wait for the next screen to appear. On the Restore screen, enter the PIN you previously created for your encrypted message storage. Make sure you enter the correct PIN because it is required to access your encrypted chat backup. Once you have entered the PIN, tap Continue or Verify to confirm it. Wait while Messenger verifies your PIN and begins restoring your encrypted chat history from the available backup. Depending on the size of your backup and the speed of your internet connection, this process may take a few moments to complete. Keep the Messenger app open and avoid interrupting the restoration while it is in progress. After the verification and restoration process finishes, allow Messenger to load all of your restored chats completely. Browse through your conversations to confirm that your encrypted messages have returned successfully.